tasty and healthy half kg chicken biryani in pressure cooker. Heat approximately 200 grams of vegetable oil in pot. While the oil heats, prepare the ingrediencies. Chopped 5 big onions, chopped 5 to 6 local tomatoes, 8 to 9 cloves, 3 cinnamons, 15 to 17 cardamom. Add salt as per taste. Stir it until it turns golden brown. Add tomatoes and stir them a bit to soften and cook completely. Stir them good until the tomato water dries and the whole ingredients fry. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of homemade ginger garlic paste and mix it. Stir it often to make sure it doesn't burn the bottom of the pot. Add half kg chicken and stir a bit to mix the ingredients well with chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 red chilies and stir them. Make sure chilies are not broke while you mix, else the biryani will be too spicy. Add 1 cup of water and let it boil, and after 3 to 5 minutes add some coriander and mint leaves. Add chili powder as per taste. We added 2 teaspoons of chili powder and stir them well. Keep it under boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 200 milliliters of beaten curd to chicken pot and mix it well. Add to lemon juice. Meanwhile, boil the eggs and fry them with little bit of turmeric, pepper and salt. This will be a cider for biryani. Once the chicken masala boils, add 2 cups of cleaned basmati rice and mix it well. Make sure the water in the cooker must be 3 cups, else the rice will be either undercooked or overcooked. Close the cooker lid and keep it for 2 whistles. Open the cooker lid and delicious cooker-style chicken biryani is ready to be served. I'm sure it's mouth-watering. Do try this at home and comment down below.
How was the taste, Budia?
If you chew the rice, it's like a different taste of explosion, like an explosion of different flavors in your mouth, like salty, a bit of oil, like what do you call that word? Savory, and yeah, it's good. It's yummy.